Hi guys, welcome to Nima's Lab project, Real Portfolios Compound Growth. This update covers the period from 6th of August to 21st of August 2026 with a current portfolio valuation of €26,400. I opened 3 new positions this period. Actually I deployed €1,000 and then opened 3 new positions. The first one is the Coinbase Global with coin ticker and in equity or crypto exchange space, and bought around 1.5 amount of shares. I also opened a RIOT position, the crypto mining equity, with a current valuation of €360. And also added BIDU, a Chinese tech equity, deploying around €237, bought 3 shares for that one. So no positions were fully closed this period, but I also made 2 position size changes. I also bought the 8.76 shares of or units of Pfizer, PFE ticker, raising the position from 24 to 32.76 units, bringing its current valuation to €779. Increase my exposure to the healthcare sector. I also bought 15 more units of CLSK, lifting the position from 30 to 45 units, now worth €478. And this also increases my exposure to the Bitcoin miner space. So I can show it to you here. This was the coin one that I bought it yesterday. The RIOT, we took profit here, then I bought back at this price. And yeah, what else? The Pfizer as well. The BIDU was this one. I bet it here, increase my Pfizer exposure, and CLSK. I also took profit here, then bought back at this price. On the notable price movers with no change in position size, trade desk fell around 30%, GR Silver Mining rose 26%, and OCG Silver Miner rose around 24%, and yeah, ETH also up around 22% recently, as you can see. And these are also the miners, the GRSL. From our last update, it is up around 26.77%, and the other one is the OCG, Outcrop Silver and Gold Corporation. What else do we have here? Yeah, the Doge also rose around 20% from our last update. Webull 80% up, and yes, BTC also, the Bitcoin itself was around 16%. And yes, the RGLD ticker, Royal Gold, up around 16%, very good. And Aftermath Silver, AAG ticker, also silver miner, 15% up. MGG Silver Miner, also 13% up. This is also the AAG. And AVAX, the crypto coin, very low exposure, also up around 13%. The oil related stuff, as an example, this OXY, Occidental Petroleum, also rose 12.77% with a current valuation of €371 at the moment. Yes, And Genomic Revolution, ARKG ETF, a good one, rose around 12% from our last update. The fertilizer sector is waking up again. As an example, IPI rose 12%, and our Chinese play JD fell around 10% from our last update, with a current valuation of 800 euro at the moment. Our physical silver is also waking up again, rose around 9%. Here we are. And yes, the Petros resources, very low exposure, also up around 9%. Yes, and this is the whole allocation for me at the moment. Currently I increased 1000 euro yesterday. I deployed 1000 euro cash and then bought the stuff I mentioned. And this chart also shows the wealth over time, that so far I invested for this specific portfolio, the NIMAS fund. I deployed around 70,000 euro, and our current unrealized valuation is 26,400 euro. Yes, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay calm, stay patient, and make, as always, wise decisions. See you in the next update. Bye bye.